Hello guys, today I will talk about if statement if which is introduced in the control flow in the Angular 17. So let's talk about this at the rate if in Angular. So as we know, like previously what we do, we use ngif. Like in the past we use the ngif directive, but now here in the Angular 17 they have introduced a very good syntax. It will basically help you to do common tasks that we need to do as a developer, show or hide elements on page depending on logical condition. So yeah, this at the rate if you can use to add those conditions, and it improve the performance also. So it's so let me give you an example how you can use that at the rate if. So let's see. And to use these control flow statements, switch a for you need to import the common module also. So after that you can use this feature. So now our project is running. So let's see, let's implement the if statement. So here we have if. So in this we can pass any property. Suppose I created any property, show hello, and if this property shows, then we can write our block whatever. So show hello is the property that we have introduced in that code file. Like currently it is false, so it will not trigger the hello. So we can add the else if condition also. So if so let's suppose I have added another condition, like if this is true, then what you need to do. And you can add the else. So all those condition you can add in your template. And here, so these properties I have created and these properties are there, so both properties are false currently. So here what we have, so it will print the else condition. So let's see what it will print. So as you can see here, it is printing the last one. And if we make it true, suppose I created show else hello equal to true. So let's see what it will show. So you can see it will print the hello. So yeah, so it is very impactful feature. It is very impactful feature and most exciting. So it improved performance also. So if you're using the old ngif, so you can also migrate. You can also migrate it to the new one. So we for to migrate we have the command like ng generate that angular slash core control flow. So you can use this command. I will mention in the comment. So you can use that command to migrate from ngif to if. It's also very helpful. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you have any question you can comment here.